waters. The very important point. Even जब मैं कार्टून्स वगैरह में देखती हूँ डोरेमोन और नोबिता को एक ग्रासी फील्ड में लेटे हुए walk in the nature.
Don't worry, time heals everything.
I got it. Time does not heal everything because the only thing time does is just to send our emotion deeper into our body, and our emotion gets sinks into our body and stored in our pelvic region, and this all pent up emotion are just going to burst up and having a blast someday. That's why we have a triggered moment, and that's why we have this outrage emotions blast. We always consider that the only time we get trauma is our childhood. But let me clear everything that we can also get trauma during our early teenage. And that's why we need to consider trauma of our teenage time as well. There are two types of traumas we can get in our childhood and also in our teenage. And here I am considering both. I know that whenever you ask someone that I am just traumatized, I am just filled with these pent up emotions, so what I need to do? I can't talk about them. Most people advise you that just go to a therapist. But I got you, my friend, because therapist cost an arm and leg. So in this video, I'm just going to tell you all the ways which feels like therapy but cost nothing. So let's get started with every activities that I have for you. The activity number 1 that I have for you, it sounds fancy, that is aroma therapy. Lighting a camphor for yourself in your home, lighting incense stick, and when we just smell these pure smells, we just feel so much relieved. We feel pure inside. Activity number 2 that I have for you is just vent out or write down all your emotions on a piece of paper. And this is so beautifully portrayed in the movie जब वी met. जब गीत जो होती है वो आदित्य से बोलती है कि just flush down your ex photo in a commode, and it's really work because you are just removing all your belongingness, all your attachment from that person or from your things, from that thing, and it will really work. और सेम सिनेरियो जब मूवी के एंड में जब गीत की बारी आती है तो आदित्य भी उसे सेम बात बोलता है, क्योंकि बिकॉज शी डज नॉट हैव एनी फोटो ऑफ हिम, तो फिर वो उससे बोलता है कि फोन करके सारा वेंट आउट करो. दैट्स वाई इट्स ऑल्सो कनेक्ट बैक्स टू आवर पॉइंट कि वी ऑल्सो नीड टू राइट डाउन एवरी chaos दैट वी हैव इन आवर हेड. गॉट इट? या. देन activity number 3 that I have for you is just walk in the waters, walk in the nature, and the very important point, walk without your music. Okay? Because when we walk into the nature, we are just moving our feet and our brain get relaxed, and it just start ruminating about our thoughts, and it start giving us a clarity. Activity number 4 that I have for you is that just lie down on your floor, because when you lie down on the floor, it just grounds us, it soothes us, because according to Vedic literature, our body is made up of these 5 elements, 5 tattva, and land is one of them, and it has this soothing property. So try it out. Yeah. Activity 5 that I have for you is that take a cold shower. It genuinely works. It just cool down our mind, calms down our body, and we feel very relaxed. And plus point that I have learned You just lie down on your bathroom floor. Of course, make sure it's clean. Just lie down on your bathroom floor and turn on the shower. And don't put off your clothes. Just lie down on the bathroom floor with your clothes on, like we used to do when we are kids. Like when we get drenched in the rain, we feel so soothed. That's why it will really work. Activity number 6 that I have for you: get yourself a body massage. I know if you get yourself massage, it will cost you something, but it really work with just releasing your pent up emotion. So try it out. Activity number 7 that I have for you is just declutter your space. Sometimes we feel this like sad emotions, this pent up emotions, these unexpressed emotions, because we are living in the same environment all together for a very long time. That's why we need to just declutter our space. Activity number 8 I have for you is just lie down on any grassy floor and do cloud watching and do sky watching, star watching, like we used to do in our childhood when we were kids. Like in Indian households, there were normally the time when people used to sleep on the terrace, and it was so relieving, it was so calming. इवन जब मैं कार्टून्स वगैरह में देखती हूँ डोरेमोन और नोबिता को एक ग्रासी फील्ड में लेटे हुए एंड दे आर डूइंग व्हाट, दे आर जस्ट गेजिंग एट द स्टार्स, आई फील सो calm, I feel so nourished. I think you should also try that.